Finding the best dishwasher for 2024 can make doing the dishes easier and more efficient. Here are some options that are top to consider. This is not even my list, this is the list. So first, you got the Bosch 800 series. I'll put everything in the description. It's highly rated for its quiet operation and excellent cleaning performance. It features a flexible interior with adjustable racks, making it easy to fit different sizes, different dish sizes. Next is the KitchenAid KDTM604KPS. This dishwasher is known for its powerful cleaning and unique features like third rack for extra utensils. It also has a stylish design and looks great in the kitchen. Next we have the LG LDP6810ST. Offers smart technology, allow you to control it from your smartphone. It has a sleek design and large capacity. It's excellent energy efficiency, making it a great choice for busy families. And for those looking for a budget-friendly option, the Whirlpool WDT71051KS is a solid pick, providing reliable cleaning and has a simple design, making it easy to use without complicated features. Now finally, we have the Samsung DW80R995OUS. Features a modern design and a third track for more space. Powerful cleaning system, known for its quiet operation. These dishwashers can help you save time and effort in your kitchen while delivering great results in 2024. Let me know which one's your favorite.